Conversation 1. Wuxuu yidhi marka can you give me a hand or assist me if I tell you my problems?
Why not? I'm not your closest friend, so you can my display your compliance.
My convenience is that I am nowadays convinced and I regret a last decision to halt my learning because I see it difficult.
This is the behavior for anyone who did not memorize his lessons, but you must not lose your confidence.
I am still full of hope and I did not still get this bird.
All right, try your best and redouble your efforts. I wish that you will reach your target.
Thank you very much. You are welcome.
You are welcome.